Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to go out on my trampoline, do some clips and show you what I've done to the spring setup. So let's go. So I'm currently out in my house, the tramp set. So we've done the springs up, we've done my back garden. We've got chairs and tables, so if you can't see, there's the tramp. It's so bouncy now with my new spring setup. So basically, okay, I'm going to go under the tramp. You can see we've V'd all the springs, and we've done it on that, like the short side over there, but we haven't done it on those sides and the side down there, so we've left two out and two done. So I'm going to get a couple basics for you. Let's get this camera set up so it doesn't break or... Good. Sorry about the lighting. I'm going to get a couple clips. So yeah, it's quite bouncy. No, it's so bouncy now. I'll do double bar out. Yeah? I'll do half in, half the stomach depending. Yeah. And like, that was a couple of clips. Hope the angle was well, but I am going to be chatting to you. This camera's hot. So basically, the reason why I haven't been on my YouTube is because I've got school and stuff. And next week I have a whole week off, thank you. I want to do a lot more videos, so like, please subscribe. Soon I'll be doing tutorials of how to do like certain tricks. I might do a video in a minute. But yeah, this is just the end of the video, and peace.